If you're experiencing matchmaking error 2025 in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may be causing the error. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official CS2 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error may be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart the game. Close CS2 completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher like Steam and navigate to the game library. Right-click on CS2, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your ISP. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling CS2. This can help eliminate any issues related to corrupted installations or missing files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve matchmaking error 2025 in CS2. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.